Hey guys, so I'm back once again with my mini-series, Everything's Just So Peachy, and you'll be happy to know that this episode will feature a mocktail version of our cocktail. Now, I couldn't do a mini-series about peaches without highlighting one of the most popular peach-based drinks, and that's the Bellini. It should also be noted that I've fully embraced the fact that I'm in my domesticated diva era, and I'm totally here for it. I'ma still always keep it quick and easy though, because your girl ain't got the time to chef things up from scratch. So stay tuned while I showcase 2 very easy recipes that involve peaches being the star of the show. The ingredients you'll need for the peach Bellini are Prosecco or club soda if you're making a mocktail version, pureed fresh peaches or peach nectar, and peach slice for garnish. This drink is super easy to make and delicious, so we love that for us. Now moving right along to a random fun fact about me is that I've never actually had the southern staple dessert known as peach cobbler, like ever. Now I know that's quite hard to believe for a foodie like myself, but the truth is that I just never got around to it. But there's a first time for everything. Which brings me to the second easy recipe, and that's mini peach cobbler dessert dishes to serve alongside these cute Bellinis at your next summer brunch. Now a lot of the recipes call for the canned peaches in that heavy syrup, but obviously I wanted to utilize the peaches I picked, and I think using fresh peaches mixed with agave syrup, brown sugar, and cinnamon will yield decadent and similar results, and be a tad bit on the healthier side too, which is always a plus. I'm using simple cake mix because I'm a semi-homemade kind of gal, and all you gotta do is just pop these babies in the oven for 60 minutes as you get ready for your summer brunch or barbecue. And voila, you are once again crowned hostess with the mostest or best guest to impress. Cheers!